Hey honeys, how are ya? It's your girl,
Golden Jaclyn here.
Okay, yeah, that was not pretty. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a tutorial using the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Volt palette in Armed & Gorgeous. I always forget the names of these palettes. This is my favorite palette out of all of the palettes in the collection. It is just so unique. If you didn't know already, I love gold. It's in my name. So this palette is totally up my alley, and I also love yellows on my eyes. I think they just complement my eyes very, very well. I'm going to be doing a whole review on the Volt collection, but I really wanted to do this. I'm actually wearing these colors like on my clothes. As you can see, I'm wearing the yellow and the green. I have olive green leggings on right now, so I really wanted to do this look today. Normally my tutorials are random, but this was actually planned. I don't have any problems with this palette. This green in Top Secret is a little bit patchy, but it's not horrible. Like it's very good. If you blend it out, work with it, you know, play around with it, you can totally get it to work, and it's not patchy. Very blendable. I don't know why everyone's complaining, or was complaining, because this is kind of old news at this point. I don't know why people are complaining about this collection. I think it's very, very good. I'm wearing the shade Coin today, and I actually didn't apply it with my finger. I know I normally do apply eyeshadows with my finger, shimmery shades I mean, but for once, didn't use my finger. I used a brush. If you'd like to see how I got this very beautiful golden look, then just keep on watching. First, I'm applying some concealer to my lid, and I'm not going to be setting this. First, I'm going to take the shade Access, and I'm going to put this all over my crease. Next, I'm going to take the shade Top Secret, and I'm going to put this more precisely in my crease with a smaller brush. I'm going to go back into Access and just blend the two colors together a little bit more. Next, I'm going to use some of my Maybelline concealer to cut my crease. For my lid, I'm going to take the shade Coin, and I'm going to put this everywhere where that concealer is. I did not wet this shade, by the way. For my inner corners, I'm using Guilt Trip. I think that's pronounced Guilt. Maybe it's pronounced Jilt. I'm not really sure. I'm going to take just a little bit of Prowl and put this directly in my outer V very precisely. I'm going to deepen up this Top Secret shade just a little bit. And then I'm going to go back into Access once again and blend it out. For my brow bone highlight, we're using the shade VIP. And I'm just applying liquid eyeliner. And I'm applying some black eyeliner to my waterline. For my lower lash line, I'm applying the shade Top Secret. So I actually applied mascara off camera, which I actually finished doing like 2 seconds ago. I didn't realize that I wasn't wearing mascara in the intro, but that is okay. So this is the finished look. I will show you a close-up as well. If you see some smudges, that's because I smeared, so my mascara got on my lower lash line. I really, really, really love this look. I've actually been doing this same exact look quite a few times with this palette. This palette is so fall appropriate and beautiful and unique, and I got nothing but great things to say about it. But nonetheless, this is not a review for like the billionth time. This was just a tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Stay golden!